So hey, hello guys, welcome back to DevLab.ai. So guys, in this video we are going to solve introduction to Cloud Dataproc, Hadoop, and Spark on Google Cloud, guys. So if you're new to channel, please make sure that please like and subscribe channel as well as hit the bell icon to get more updated videos within cloud as well as AI, guys. So guys, the status part is that I'm getting views but not a subscribers. So please do like and subscribe the channel, and one view and one subscribe can boost up my YouTube channel. So please do like and subscribe, guys. So let me move and let me log into credentials before that. So just open a console in ignore mode here. So after that, what to be done is that I am going to guide here. Okay. So just come back here. So wait for a second here until your credentials to be login, and then after click on I understand here. So after clicking I understand here, give the permissions here. So click on agree and continue here. So after clicking agree and continue here, open your closure terminal in your lab, you guys. So open your closure terminal. So click on continue here. So after clicking continue here, what will be done is that click on authorize here. So just come back to your lab, guys. So guys, I will be providing link in description, so get access of the GitHub link, guys. So just come back to your GitHub repo and just come back, copy the curl command and just come back here and paste it in your terminal here and click on enter. So after clicking enter, it is asking for a cluster name here. So just come back to your lab, guys, and in your lab click on task number 1. So below task number 1 there is a column name of Q lab. Just copy this name here and just come back here and then paste it here and click on enter. So after clicking enter, please make sure that it may take for 10 to 15 minutes to execute this program. So before that, please do make sure that please like and subscribe the channel as well as hit the bell icon too, guys. So guys, finally we have been completed the execution of this program here. So just come back to our lab here and click on task number 1. So below task number 1 there will be check my progress. Click on check my progress and finally guys you will get a green tick without any issue. And let me move for task number 2. Click on check my progress and finally guys you will get a green tick without any issue. So wait for a second here until it updates. So finally you got a green tick here. So there is no more check my progress, guys. So guys, let us end the lab. So before ending the lab, please make sure that please like and subscribe channels as well as please do join Telegram as well as WhatsApp community. So it will be very useful to get updated videos as well as any queries to be solved here. So please do join the Telegram as well as WhatsApp community. And guys, do subscribe the channel, guys. Let me meet on next video, guys. Thank you.